Crave is an exceptional brand that makes affordable yet quality smartphone cases. In this video, we are looking at the Crave Protection Series cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. These cases are very much built incredibly well. I like these cases because that for using for a couple of days, I think that these cases have become one of my favorites in all the cases that I have for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now let's do the unboxing and review of these cases. I like these cases because that for the S24 Ultra they sent me some of these cases and I've used it and I quite liked it. But I think that these cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, because of the design and nature of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scanners, makes these new cases from Crave to become brilliant, and especially for its use cases. Crave tends to go for very minimalistic and simple design for their cases. So with this, you can see that you have the box over here with an inscription on it and all that you need to know about their cases. Go right into it. These are the 3 cases from Crave. I like the fact that Crave is able to pull up a lot of colors for their phone cases. Now this is a slate color for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a black color, and this matches with the jet black color that I have for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And this is a navy color. These cases, for me, I think they are really fun in nature, and they tend to give a lot of pop and brilliance to your phone, especially if you don't like to have darker colors for your phone cases. Come in dimension of 6.47 by 3.25 by 0.48 inches. So you can see that the dimensions over here, they are the realistic dimensions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now these cases also are built in such a way that they have thermoplastic polyurethane material that makes the material over here really environmental focus, because they tend not to degrade the environment, and they have this kind of eco-friendly environmental concept in mind. Are also tested to have protection from drops and scratch resistance, and they are also very compact in terms of their build, and which allows for easy grip. So when you put it inside your palm like this, you can realize that these cases tend to give you a lot of compactness in terms of the build. When you also have it, you can see that it comes with a lot of precisions in terms of the cutting. Button over here, you can see how these cases are designed properly with the phone in mind. Camera control over here is also a little bit raised so that it can give protection to your device. Better demonstration, let's read the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here to demonstrate how these cases fit into the design. So when you have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra inserted into the Crave Protection Series case over here, you can see how it blends really neatly into the case. And you can see the bottom here, you have a very minimalistic kind of design over here, which for me I think I like the most, because that it doesn't give you any design in terms of the product name to be all over the place. So it's very minimal, and that gives it that kind of beautiful aesthetic design. So like the black and the sleek combo over here. Now this case, interesting, comes in a dual layer design. So you can have it over here. It is the inner layer of the Crave Protection Series case, and this is the outer layer. So the outer layer over here is built with the thermoplastic material. It has a strong plastic design, and which would mean that it has grippy edges, grippy sides, grippy back, which allows you to firmly grip your device when it is inserted into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the things that I like about this case is that it tends to make the S25 Ultra's camera bump to be rather flush inside, not the camera bump going beyond the contour layer over here. When you put this case onto a flat surface like this, rather going to protect the camera bump. So you have it over here, and that is really great. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, one of the disadvantages with its camera bump is that Samsung this year changed the camera ring on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You see, the S24 Ultra had smaller camera ring, and this has extra camera rings protecting the camera lenses over there. So when you put it on a flat surface like this, you press on it it tends to wobble a lot, and so that's a big disadvantage in terms of the usage. But when you put this Crave protection case on it, when you put it down like this, easily, it does not rock at all. So that is giving you an incredible amount of usage, especially when you have your S Pen that you want to use for this case. So if you have the S Pen, then you are navigating it with this, it is not going to rock. It's going to be very solid in terms of the user ability over here. Now, when you put this Crave case on it, you'll be able to use it without having any kind of interference or any sort of distractions going on with the rocking of the phone. This case has been given extra protection and shock absorption for its design, and I can feel it. For the past few days that I've been using these cases, I haven't had any issues with it at all. My phone has dropped down a couple of times and they've not had any issues. They are firmly built strongly, and I also like the fact that Crave tend to go for the design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's body and shape, such that when you put the phone inside your palm, it fits and rests gently inside your palms like this. And for me, I think that because it is very thin and does not give any kind of excess weight to the device, it makes the use case really enjoyable. For me, I like the design. I like the button layout over here. They tend to be clicky and they are just spot on when you press on it. I also think that the price of this, which is just $15, makes these cases great value for money. So if you really like a case that is really suited for your need and doesn't weigh on your price and pocket as well, then these cases from Crave, they are the best case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm going to leave the link to purchase this case in the description box. If you like this video, can you subscribe to the channel? My name is Abegod. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out.